Hi Draw So Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a carved pumpkin silhouette to celebrate Halloween. So let's get started. To draw this awesome pumpkin, let's first start by drawing the pumpkin shape itself. So I'm going to start right here at the top, and I'll just start with a very basic pumpkin shape. So I'm just going to go curve going up, kind of as if you're drawing an apple. And I'll bring it down. And I'll do the same thing on the other side. And this drawing is meant to be fun, so it doesn't even matter the shape of your pumpkin or how you draw it. Big, small, thin, large, it's all up to you. And as you know, pumpkins come in all shapes and sizes. So I really hope this drawing inspires you to create your own carved pumpkin silhouette. Okay, so I'm just drawing a very basic one. So as I come to the bottom, I'm just going to dip it in a little bit and then come back out. So your goal, no matter what shape you draw, is to just have a little dip right here in the top and bottom. From there, let's come to the top right here, and I'm just going to draw in the stem. So nice, big, thick stem. Just going to bring in a curve, curve it again, and connect it with another curve right here on the top. And since I'm here, I'm going to very lightly just draw some lines to give it some texture on the stem. Now that we have the basic pumpkin shape in, let's go ahead and fill this space up with something really cute for Halloween. So let's start, I'm going to start about right here in this area right here, because I know I have a black cat I want to draw. So I'm going to start about right here. And I'm just going to draw a curve and come right across, as if I'm drawing the face itself. I'm going to stop right in the center to give it a little area for a neck. And then I'm going to, let's come in this area right here, and we're going to draw the eyes. So as if I'm drawing a circle, I'm just going to imagine I'm drawing a circle, but I'm going to stop at the bottom and come in here and draw kind of like this leaf shape right in the center. So let's do the same thing on this side. If you don't like these round eyes, you can always draw the slanted cat eye, but I thought it'd be a little bit cuter with the round eyes. There. Okay, so then from there, we're going to come up and draw our hat on both sides. I'm just going to give it a little rim. So remember, Draw So Cuties, we're drawing a silhouette, so it's just kind of like the outside shape. So from there, I'm going to stop right here, because if I were drawing this cat, the ears would be about right in this area. So I'm just going to come right here and pop out some ears. Same thing over here. I know it looks really weird, right? Okay, so then let's draw the hat. I'm going to come up, draw this witch's hat, give it a little slant. Right here, I'll come down, give it a little curve, and bring it right back down. Once you color everything, it'll make sense. Okay, so then from there, I'm going to give this cat right here a little neck and the body. Nice and simple, just a big curve that comes down. And same thing over here. So I'm ending a little bit low because I need to give this pumpkin a little edge. So about right here, I'll come out and pop out a tail. So no matter what you draw, you just want to leave a little edge for this pumpkin. So just keep that in mind. So I'm going to end about right here. Okay, so I'm pretty much done with the cat. Now let's come right next door, and right here I'm just going to continue this because we are carving it, and I'm putting a little pumpkin right here. So come about right here, nice simple pumpkin. Not too big because I still want to be able to draw a little, what do you call that? Oh my gosh, I am like lost for words right now. Okay, so we're going to draw the pumpkin. Tombstone? Oh my gosh, I was just trying to think and not draw at the same time. Okay, so sorry. We have this outside shape for our pumpkin. And about right there, I'll draw another curve. And let's come in here and bring this pumpkin to life. So I'm making mine very general. Just give it some triangular eyes. So like I said, there's just so much room for imagination in this drawing. And I can't wait to see your fan art of this. Definitely show it to me. You can send it to me on my Instagram at Draw So Cute by Winnie. I want to see what you cuties come up with. Now that we're done with our pumpkin, let's come to this edge right here and draw the tombstone. So I'm just going to break it up a tiny bit and draw some blades of grass. And just 2 of them. And in this area, I'm just going to go ahead and tuck in this curve. So it's kind of at a slant. Imagine this going through. I'm just giving myself enough room for the cross. So kind of this shape. And then I'm just going to come up here and draw a cross. There. Okay, and then we can, so I'm just leaving an edge to see what I want to do first, and then from there, let's come in the center of this tombstone and draw a big heart. Why not, right? I have a fit of heart in here somewhere. So put a big heart right there, and then let's come to the top right here. But actually, you know what? Since I know I have a bat right there, I'm going to go ahead and give my pumpkin this edge now. So about right here, you know, I'm just going to slant my bat. So if you're using a pencil, definitely draw the edge out first, and then you can go ahead and draw the bat. So I'll tuck my bat in about right here. So let's start with the bat's head. Draw a little angle line. A little line at an angle, I mean. And then we're going to draw the ears for our bat. And then let's draw the wings coming out. So everything is at this angle. So turn your paper if you need to. But I'm putting it really close to this edge so that the wing kind of goes in there. So about right here. Start the wings with the edge right there. I'm going to imagine this at this angle, come down nice and centered, but right there. And I'll come out with a curve. So by doing that, I know this is nicely in the right angle, and I'm just going to go in here and connect it with curves. So this will be going up. So let's continue this. Now we can draw the edge of our pumpkin all the way across. So that is pretty much it for this silhouette, but I really wanted to add a little spider to make it extra cute. So I'm just going to go ahead in this space and add a spider right here. So I'm just going to say maybe about here. It doesn't make sense as a silhouette, so I'm just going to say it's a real spider that went on the pumpkin. So I'll just draw a straight line about right there. I'll come in this area and just draw an oval. And let's see here, let's draw 2 circles inside for some eyes, little dot in the center, and same thing here, and then the legs, of course. So just put 8 right here, so 4 on this side and 4 on this side. There. And then of course we're going to have to add some webbing, right? So about right here. Let's go ahead and draw 2 curves, make it look like webbing, and that is pretty much it for this drawing. So just remember when you're coloring it, your goal is to, in this space right here, this negative space, to make it very bright and yellow, and maybe the center part just make it a little bit more whitish yellow to bring out the glow, and everything out here is going to be your orangey brownish color for the pumpkin to really pop this part out. So I really hope you love this drawing, and I've inspired you to draw it as well and come up with your own pumpkin silhouette. Happy Halloween, Draw So Cuties, and I really hope you love this, and thanks so much for watching. And if you do love it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.